beautiful supporters. I hope you guys know, I mean, it's pretty obvious. Time, there has to be a beginning. There has to be a start. There has to be the first steps. And these are just the first couple of weeks of me performing on live. So I do appreciate the little bit of people I do have here today. I really do. And then soon enough, later on, whenever there's a big crowd, a big audience, because it will happen. It will happen. I'm definitely give a nice little shout out to y'all. But we are bearish today. Not sure how far price may go, but I am bearish. With the potential of price reversing after taking sell side. There's a strong potential of price reversing after taking sell side. We have about 3 more minutes. Well, 2 more minutes until 9:30 open. There's a good chance that price may want to come up and take this inversion here before giving us any type of continuation to the downside. Dow Jones took Friday's PM low. We're expecting for NASDAQ to at least fill in the entire gap, or even take Friday PM low. Yeah, Friday's PM low. We have about a minute and a half, 1 minute and a half. There's a good chance that price may not want to retrace back up whatsoever, but we're gonna wait and see. Now for today, I have 2 accounts connected. And since today is not like a highly probable day, there's no real high quality directional bias here, other than the fact that we're reaching towards the discount level of this entire range coming up for the new week. So yeah, a couple more seconds. Yeah, cause you see, let me mark this up real quick. Bam, we're about to reach equilibrium of this whole range. We're at the 5-minute inversion. Let's see what type of reaction we can get off of here. Hopefully we can get a good reaction, which is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for price to really drop. All right, 494 sell limit. Oh, beautiful. Right there, we're getting that reaction. Beautiful, this is exactly what I wanted. All right, 490 sell limit. I'm gonna put at 490. Sell limit, 490. And then we're going to put a stop loss right above this wick here within the inversion. So we're going to put stops at 500. Beautiful. Let me put it here too. 490 sell limit. Whoa. Oh, no wonder. I'm like, what? It looks so much different. Buy stop. Okay. Both my accounts now have the order ready. Now let's see what happens. And then take profit. Yeah, I'm just going to do the bottom of the new week opening gap, right below the equilibrium of the higher time frame range. So 40 points is good enough for me today. What is that, 450?
Order filled.
Okay. It says limit order executed, but there's no open position. That's strange. 450 buy limit. Yeah, I did. Why isn't it showing on the screen? Hold up. Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. Positions. Oh, there we go. And then orders too. Right, orders. There we go. I knew it. I just had to do all of that. Like, I hate that it keeps doing this. Oh, wait, hit my stop? Yeah. Except for this other account here. But what? Oh, no wonder. It's different for both. Interesting.
Stop filled.
Yo, you gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Yo, this thing, I'm trying to have it. Ooh, and I'm in again. Let's go.
Order filled.
Stops would be right up here. Well, I didn't wait for any confirmation. This is an aggressive entry, but that's only based off of my overconfidence, I guess. All right, we're down 10 points so far. Go ahead and mark that up. We're down 10 points. Yes, closure back underneath is wonderful. I want to see a displacement. You know, I really want to see that displacement coming down. All right, putting my stops right at the top of that inversion, 502. And then for this guy, 502 as well. Beautiful. Oh, that would be 7 points for me. Draw down. Ooh, that was so close. Where are we at? 593.5. Okay, we have our stops now at 8 points, so that would be 501.5. Beautiful. 501.5 is our stops now. Gorgeous. Take profit. Let me see how everybody else is doing. Yeah. Now there's a potential that we might go for Friday's PM low. Like, quite a good potential for that. Oh, we rebalance on the higher time frame. On the 30 minute. That's wonderful to see. Always wonderful to see. All right. Remember, as soon as this gets violated, stops at break even. All right, putting my stops now at 5 points. So that would be 498.5. Oh, wait, break even? Can we get break even? Yes, sir. Stops at break even. Stops at break even. And we'll go for 50 points here. I would like to go all the way to Friday's PM low, but either targets. All right, stops at break even. Stops at break even. Beautiful. No, I do apologize for the whole camera thing. It's ridiculous, I know. Let's see how the 15 minute is looking. Ooh, wow, that is beautiful. That is freaking beautiful. Yeah, we do have this order block here that may want to push price higher on the 15 minute, or that may want to have price resist. So we're going to keep that in mind, because the fact that we have this order block before Friday's PM low, that's pretty risky. If everybody could take Friday's PM low, maybe I'll go ahead and target that. But for right now, We're keeping it safe. We're taking it out early. Currently stops at break even. If it hits, then we're waiting for the 950 macro. All right, and okay, break even hit, but I still have it open on this second account because I have more of a risk here. So we're still down 10 points. Break even hit, taking it easy. Again, my off risk account is still open. At the moment, the current trade that just hit, break even, that was for my on risk account, or however you guys wanna call it. The account in which I don't want to risk too much. Wait, do I have my? I don't even have my. Okay, 50 points. Wait, what is that? 43.5. Oh, 500. 5 points. What was that take profit again? 43.5. Got it. 43.5. Beautiful. Okay. TP is set at 43.5. Oh, stops are gonna hit 5 points for me. Now for you guys, it's break even, okay? For you guys, it's break even. This is just 5 points. Oh wow, that was so close. Woo! Remember, you guys should have been out at break even a long time ago, right here. Boom. As soon as price hit this, stops at break even, and price just hit break even. There should be no reason why anybody has an open trade right now. Because I know my risk parameters. And then, oh, it's about to hit. It's about to hit. And okay.
Stop filled.
Beautiful. But remember, for you guys are only down 7 points. 10 points, sorry. Oh, beautiful right here. I love this. That means one thing and one thing only. Macro high. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pick out of this. At 501.75. Beautiful. And we're gonna take to the macro high. If price can come and give me my entry. If not, I'm gonna do 503. I'll do 503. Alright, will it do it for me? Now remember, for you guys, it's break even. Oh, it's about to take it without me. It's about to take it without me. It's about to take it without me.
Order filled.
Okay, and we're in. We are in. Take profit is just that macro high right there. And we'll do a little 20 actually. All right, so 523 sell limit or take profit. Beautiful. $523. Can we get it? Can we get it? The bottom of that inversion. There's no need for price to come back down there at all. 496. That's my stop. 496. I'm gonna put 496.25. Nasdaq is still bearish, meaning I'm still aiming for Nasdaq to target sell side objectives. But at the moment, it seems like price is strongly manipulating to grab liquidity before doing so. So later on, we're targeting all this right here. We're targeting all these lows. And it may do it now, to be honest. It may do it now. Who knows? Hopefully it doesn't.
Stop filled.
And it's going for it. Yep, it's going for it. So what is this? This is now 17 points for you guys. All right, so these are the only two losses you guys should have had. 17 points, which is almost a whole. For a lot of people, their stops are 20, 30 points. All right, this is going to be my low risk account. I'm about to enter at 499.
Order filled.
Beautiful. All right, so stops for this one is going to be 509. Beautiful. This here makes all the sense for it to go ahead and deliver all the way, but if it doesn't, then there's a good chance I could just be off for the day and just accept these losses I'm about to take, because all right, what was my entry? 499. And the best part is that today I'm trading on autopilot because I woke up a little too many times last night. So the fact that I don't have hold up, give me a second. Let me mark out my TP. Beautiful. We're gonna put at 50 there. Minus so for you guys will be up 33 points. I'm gonna do that for 30 actually. What was I gonna say? 449 TP. Okay. I already have it there. Yeah. Let me 1 point more. Beautiful. And then for you, oil stops 509. I am very, very. Oh, I stopped. Oh, there we go. All right. I thought price was gonna come up before I put my stops. So this is going to be the third losing trade of the day, and
stop filled.
Voila. We are down 27 points today. At this point, I'm just waiting. So what the already does. Hmm. Alright, this bare minimum version is no longer interest. This is. Price is gonna fall today. Price is definitely gonna fall today. Waiting for that high probable trade setup, and we only to those who are patient will grab everything with me. We're down 27, but we're gonna end up the day probable. So don't worry. Understand that this morning I am trading with some type of deprivation of sleep. But that's okay. Yeah, we're definitely gonna fall hard. We're gonna fall so hard. That's fine. Stops 17.5. This is my aggressive entry right here. If it comes up a little higher, okay. And this is going to be it right here. 522.5.
Order filled. Stop filled.
We're down 2200 there. So that's all just me not wanting to wait for a strong displacement. Because currently, yes, price is bullish. And there should be no reason why we should be selling off at the moment. Because there's no indication of price wanting to do that yet. We're just creating up, just higher highs. But pretty soon price will break off and fall off dramatically. And that's what I'm waiting for. But my impatience caused me to enter prematurely without waiting for
Order filled.
Okay. Beautiful. Now, in order for me to enter, this has to be inverted right here. On my off-risk account. Inversion. Well, that would be a macro inversion, actually. So for this one, we're down 32 points. It has not closed underneath yet. It has yet to give me a close underneath. Wow, I have a headache. I knew today wasn't going to be a good day for me to analyze. Because I'm foggy and my head is just like, I'm not having good sleep. It's crazy. All right. Come on. Come to Papa. Beautiful. Wonderful. Where do I want my stops at? I will make it 517. 518 actually. Yeah, close that trade out. Because I don't want to risk too much in that account. I'm done trading on that account. Alright, so I entered at 15. Okay. 15 was my entry. And boom. Alright, we're done with that. How do I... Okay. Boom. Beautiful. I stop. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. And if we can get price to come below this here, I'm putting another entry right here. So I'm gonna have another entry set at 504, a sell stop. Very confident price falling all the way. But let's see here first. Oh my God. It really doesn't seem like it. I mean, it is a Monday with no news. Ay, Oscar. All right. And I failed to complete the entirety of the new week opening gap. So there's a good chance that we may want to come and take all of this here, or revisit actually this gap right here in the 15-minute. There's a good chance of that. Wow, look at that. Who knows if I would have had more energy, if I would have caught that earlier.
Stop filled.
I'm not going to allow for today to be a loss. Yeah, we're going to go for that.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Yeah, I'm taking the chances. And we're going to go for that. The 15-minute candlestick is about to close. What did I answer? 26.5. Beautiful. All right. We're going to go ahead and take it out at... we'll do 20 points here. We'll do 25 actually. We'll do 25 on that one. And if price can tap into that, boom, okay, buy stop at my entry. For another entry there. I swear, if this is the part where price falls all the way to my target down, I've never traded knowing I need sleep today. Yo, I'm tripping, bro. Nobody's going for it. What is it? 551.5. And my other entry could be getting smacked up. And we got the macro south side right there. Oh yeah. Let me fix this so my stops will be right at the bottom of this version. Alright, this could be my last trade of the day. Alright, I got my stops set. Oh man, that's fine. Yikes.
Order filled.
Yo, if this gives a strong closure down here, I'm doubling in on that. I'm taking it all the way down here to 930 lows because I'm right about my bias. I'm so right about it. It has to hit. Trying to catch the manipulation, go a little higher. I expected for this whole manipulation coming up to go a little bit higher, but it didn't. And that's okay. That's okay. What's my entry at now? 512. We'll do 511. 511. Sell limit right there. Oh wait, double. Right. This is high probable if I'm going in double. Very high probable if I'm going in double. Market structure shift, beautiful, and we inverted that, gorgeous. There's not much I can say other than this is the trade I've been waiting for this entire freaking morning. But I didn't want to be patient.
Order filled.
Why, Oscar? Why? Why weren't you patient, man? Am I in on that? But there's no way. Yo, I'm about to enter sell market.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. And then if price comes down there, sell stop there. Beautiful. Okay, let's see how price goes. We're going all the way for 50 points here. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Come on. Now we're going for 60 points on that. Yep, 60 points. Alright, so my take profit is 451. I already have a take profit there. 451, boom. Buy limit, and then buy limit there. And buy limit, beautiful. Now, all we do is wait. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. This entire time I have been muted. That is no bueno. That is no good. That is no good. No good. Anyways, as I was explaining earlier, uh, what was I saying? Lord have mercy. What was I saying? Uh, if this trade goes wrong, that would be 60% of the total amount that I have to risk. Speak to me nice. Speak to me nice. There we go. There we go. Now we talking. Now we're talking. There we go. Just inch a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. There we go. Just inch a little bit lower there. There we go. Let me see the 15 minute. 15 minutes gonna be dropping very heavy now. Come on. Look at 5 minutes. It's not looking strong, but if we could get a strong closure for here, we're gonna full run. All the way. All the way. No, no, no. Yeah, I don't like that. Price just grabbed the liquidity here and then never closed beneath it. Yeah, there's a good chance I might. Depending on how this next candlestick, Jesus. Depending on this candlestick here, yeah. We got 2 more minutes until the 5 minute closes. Two more minutes. Let's look at operating assets. Boom, boom, ba-dum. We're going for lows and we're strongly bearish. Everybody is trading underneath the new opening gap. Nasdaq is the only one manipulating above, and it's the only one that took off micro highs before the hour. So it's pretty good. I mean, I like the price action. I just don't like the fact that it's consolidating a lot and not giving us an immediate run towards our target. But who knows what the 1050 macro can do for us. So we're gonna go ahead, boom, 1050 macro. Okay, everybody reach. Okay, entry point is working above it. It would be ideal for price to reject liquidity resting right above these highs right here. I would really want to see price displace away from that. Just drop from there. That's what I want to see. let's see. Wow, this is going to be my biggest loss of the year. No! Biggest loss of the year is unfolding right now. Let's see how price continues here. People like watching that though. People like seeing big losses. You know, they use it to judge. They use it, you know, as much as people like to watch people win, they like to watch people lose. You know, this is like this trigger that happens within their brains. It's just a rush of neurochemicals, and it feels good. You know, they like it. So, hey man, you know what? I'm not even worried. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow is indeed another day. Come on.
Order filled.
And that's all I have for today. Jesus, that was horrible. How am I gonna title this? Biggest loss of the year? Biggest loss of the year, revenge trading. That's how I'm gonna title it. Biggest loss of the year, revenge trading. Yeah. That's going to be it. Wow. 2-3 weeks of straight beautiful performance. And the last 3 days, or within the last week, I've had 3 bad days that are really bad. That is insane. This trade right here, I should just target pre-macro sell side. But anyways, thank you for everybody that was here today, and I shall see y'all tomorrow.